really go that many days without a good movement?
Yeah, because she's not really getting very much yet. So once she starts, you know, eating and digesting, she will.
Would it help if Mom ate some more fiber?
Nah, I don't know.
I don't think it works that way.
Yeah.
Right?
We did some scale pictures today.
Oh, that is
First
so
dollar
cute.
somebody got her that it's bigger than she
Yeah.
is. It looks like mammoth doll.
Yeah, that is so cute. Did the pictures turn out good?
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
We dangled her wedding ring from Nola's foot,
Oh.
and you can really see the scale then, because I mean it's like this giant thing hanging off of
Yeah.
her foot.
That's great. So you could slip it over her foot and it like hung on her little ankle or
Yep.
something?
Well, hung on her big toe.
Oh.
I just kind of hung it there.
Yeah.
She kept, you know, she keeps her toes
Yeah.
always pointing up.
Yeah, pointing up.
So we always got those.
For ballet toes.
Yeah.
Getting those ready.
I would say basketball toes.
Our gym.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
It's gonna be her balance beam toes.
No movement.
No poo-poo yet.
Mm-hmm.
Nola, you're supposed to do that when your parents are here.
Yes.
Especially Daddy. They like to surprise him. Alright, you do your thing.
Yep.
Is there a little bit of poo or?
No, none at all.
Not much. Tracy did say she had little smears all day, so probably common. Alrighty, go right on ahead.
She's definitely going to be gaining weight if she keeps taking it in and not
Yeah.
sending it out.
I'm gonna go measure the diaper and I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, what are you squirming for? Big squirmer. I pulled it up a little too high on you. Let me pull it down a little bit.